So some of this video that you guys are about to watch right now is me and a buddy of mine, EY, used to ride together a lot. We used to travel the roads together and wrestle together. He went on to larger than life, better things, and I got injured, and now I'm a moto vlogger. But we met up with a couple of his buddies, and one of them's named Jordan, another one named Brandon. And so I'm gonna go ahead and play this footage for you. It's just some, you know, there's just random thoughts in here, and basically it is a montage of riding through Tennessee and the back roads of Franklin, Spring Hill, and places like that. So I cut in every now and then with some things to say, but I don't want to mislead anybody and for anyone to think that, hey, you tried to trick me with a bunch of montage footage, because that's not the case. I definitely thought that the ride was so beautiful, and for some reason that day, believe it or not, I didn't have a ton of stuff to talk about. But I'm gonna play that for you right now. What's up, OMG Nation? What a beautiful, beautiful sunny day in Franklin, Tennessee. You know the basic hand signals and stuff for riding? Safety hand signals?
A little bit.
Okay, I'll do them. So, all right, so right up in front of us today, leading the pack, we got a bunch of Harleys being led by a Triumph. Our man Jordan up front. EY right in front of me. He's on a Heritage Softail. His bike's tricked out and looks good. I'll show you what that looks like a little bit later. Me on my 2006 Harley Davidson Softail Fat Boy. And then, I'm not sure what year the guy, his name's Brandon, he's behind us. Today's the first day I've met him. But he's on a Fat Bob, Harley Davidson Fat Bob. We just get out, and we don't really have a destination in mind when we get out. Well, that truck slowed everybody. Dumbo Moving. That's a great name. It really feels amazing out here. Oh, I just had a bug commit suicide right in my eyeball on my shield. Hell yeah, brother. Look at all those flags. That's what I like to see right there. A proud American. Gentry Farms. I think we're about to turn and get off this main drag right up here. Dude, that a little old Honda. That was kind of cool. I don't know if you guys saw that or not. I love when people break out those old bikes. Ooh. There you go. Well, I didn't see those until I was right on top of them. This whole area is one of my favorite rides just in the Franklin area, just because it's so pretty, especially once we get back through these back roads and really get into the twisties. I'm dodging all these potholes. They weren't covered up very well. Oh my gosh. Alright, we just gotta get back out here and fix the roads. Here we go. Here we go. Now we got a good road with some twisties on it right here. We're climbing the hill a little bit, maybe the mountain. Never seen a road with so many freaking road hazards like all this in my life. This road, this road is riddled with road hazards, but it is beautiful through here. So that's your trade-off right there, is that you've got a beautiful road, but you really have to pay attention because there's stuff everywhere. Logs, shirtless dudes, gravel, potholes. Lots of potholes. I'm trying to talk to you guys, but I kind of have to pay attention because of these roads are so terrible. What I tell you, this is some of the most beautiful roads in this area. How all the trees overhang. It's just a twisty after twisty after twisty. Log cabins everywhere.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thanks for watching this montage video. Like always, I appreciate you guys watching this episode. If you haven't already, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to click the bell icon so you'll receive notifications on all of my uploads and activity. And I truly, truly, truly appreciate you guys taking the time out of your day to watch me and my channel. Thanks for watching, everyone. Look, I've got...
Oh, stall.